Hafiz had nightmares about mathematics examination. Next question. What did the principal say to him which influenced him deeply? Answer है in the principal told Hafiz. Answer है आपका the principal told Hafiz that he was a good student but he never studied. His mother had worked hard to bring him up. It was the time now to rise to the occasion and study. Third question है that year I did not step out into the field. What was he busy doing that year? Answer है he was busy studying books that year. Okay. Next question. उसमें दो क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 उसमें 4.1 में क्वेश्चन है 1 और 2 दो क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट वाला है व्हाट डिस्ट्रैक्शन डिड हाफिज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर क्रिएट वन डे. व्हाट डिस्ट्रैक्शन डिड हाफिज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर क्रिएट वन डे. उसका आंसर है फॉर वन होल आवर ही अलोंग विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स प्लेड चोर पुलिस. For one whole hour, he along with his friends played चोर पुलिस. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में दूसरा क्वेश्चन है would you have liked to participate in the distraction had you been with him? आंसर है I would have avoided such distraction for fear of the teacher. Moreover, it was completely a wastage of time. Okay. Next question है Hafiz contractor wanted to join the police force. Why didn't he? Answer Hafiz wanted to join the police force but his mother advised him to do his graduation first. So he joined Jai Hind College in Mumbai. Okay. Next question. In the architect's office, Hafiz contractor was advised to drop everything and join architecture. Why? Important question है. Okay, answer है it happened quite by chance. One day he saw somebody drawing a window design. Somebody drawing a window design. He pointed out that the drawing was wrong and the window would not open, and he was proved right. His cousin's husband was surprised. He asked him to design a house and he did that. After that, he told Hafiz to leave everything and join architecture. Next question है उसमें भी दो क्वेश्चन है. What was Mr. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor? Mrs. Gupta, sorry. Mrs. Gupta उसकी जो सेकंड और थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड की टीचर थी. Okay. What was Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor? आंसर है उसका when he was in second or third standard, one of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, showed his sketches and advised him to become an architect when he grew up. उसी में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है what made her advise him so? आंसर है she advised him so on seeing his fine sketches. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है how did he help fellow students who had lost a button? Answer when a fellow student lost a button while playing or fighting, Hafiz would cut a button for him from chalk using a blade. Next question. Which rules did he break as a schoolboy? Answer. As a schoolboy, he never studied until his 11th class. He always copied to pass the examination. Next question. Hafiz Contractor's definition of mathematics? उसमें दो क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट का आंसर ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज हाफिज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स? आंसर देखो, अकॉर्डिंग टू हाफिज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, मैथ्स इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ putting designs, constructions, psychology and sociology together and making sketch from all that. Next question है उसी में, how would you want to define mathematics? Do you like the subject? Answer, mathematics is the best branch of science, but it is a bit difficult to be good in this subject. However, I like this subject. Okay. Okay, this is all about question answer. इतने क्वेश्चन आंसर इनफ है इस लेसन के लिए. ओके, वी विल सी, आई थिंक नेक्स्ट लेसन है प्रिंसेस सितंबर.